Maya codices are folding books written by the pre-Columbian Maya civilization in Maya hieroglyphic script on Mesoamerican bark paper. The folding books are the products of professional scribes working under the patronage of deities such as the Tonsured Maize God and the Howler Monkey Gods. Most of the codices were destroyed by conquistadors and Catholic priests in the 16th century. The codices have been named for the cities where they eventually settled. The Dresden codex is generally considered the most important of the few that survive. The paper was made from the inner bark of certain trees, the main being the wild fig tree or amate. This sort of paper was generally known by the word matlan nahuatl and by the word hewn in Mayan. The Maya developed their hewn paper around the 5th century, which is roughly the same time that the codex became predominant over the scroll in the Roman world. Maya paper was more durable and a better writing surface than papyrus. There were many books in existence at the time of the Spanish conquest of Yucatan in the 16th century. Most were destroyed by the Catholic priests. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.